What's up guys, it's your boy Saddam Hussein and welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is literally just going to be a compilation of shit drivers, so enjoy that. Anyway, roll the clips, peace. That close. Jesus Christ! I got that on camera as well. Oh guys, I'm sorry. The hate comments will hate me for that, but oh man, that was, oh dear. This video was supposed to be a load of shit drivers. Turns out it's shit drivers and me riding like a dick. Fuck you. And that is what being a biker is all about. That was sick. Fucking bell end. This guy's number plate is claps. Literally, he's got the clap as his number plate. Literally. Look, this guy has the clap. That's jokes. Do you know what I've noticed? I'm getting a lot more calm because I'm expecting it a lot more nowadays. Like when I first got on a bike, someone would pull out on me and I'd be like, oh my god, what the hell? But now I expect it, so it doesn't come as just a surprise to me.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Fucking wait! Oi! You see, you put me off, you wanker. Stupid prick. Never given it the head bob, so I thought I would. I mean, I get it, he couldn't see round the car that was poking into my lane, but still, if you can't see, you shouldn't go. It's just common sense. What if I was going a lot faster? honestly. At least he apologised. Does this guy know his boot's open? And down it goes. Oh my god. That's funny. I would go catch him and tell him, but I'm already late for work. Dip your lights! Fucking bitch! I literally couldn't see fuck all there! For all I know, I was heading off the fucking road. Scared the crap out of me. Jesus! Anyway guys, that's the end of today's video. If you tuned in for some bad driving, and I admit some bad riding by me, then I'm sure that you enjoyed the video, so let me know by smashing a thumbs up and subscribe, turn that bell end on, and